In Tumbang Mangkuhung, staff from Yayasan Tambuhak Sinta are facilitating a process in participatory planning. This is the first step in a longer process and will take 4 days to complete. Over the 4-day period, the villagers use a series of simple techniques to analyze local conditions and to create a preliminary community development plan. To begin the process, villagers accompany YTS staff in an orientation walk around the village. During this walk, villagers point out interesting features in the village, such as historical buildings and the location of important facilities like the school and the church.
Sampai ke kecamatan.
Next, a group of villagers document the village history and analyzes recent development trends in the community. The methodology they are using is called Participatory Rural Appraisal, PRA for short. This methodology enables villagers to systematically identify and analyze the opportunities and constraints for development in their community.
Jadi ramai dia tertarik noko orang rambut teruk pindah dia ke tatu orang noko jual itu hari itu dia dulu. Dia hatun dia noko buku natang ramai dia.
Oh, ayam kopi jok karo penyakit. Kopi punai.
In looking at the history of the village, it's helpful to have some older people involved. Mangkuhung was founded in 1815 by a group of 8 friends. Since then, it has steadily grown despite periods of famine, epidemics, and floods. Throughout the discussion process, information is drawn or written on the ground. This makes it easy for everyone to see the information and to actively engage in the analysis.
Yo tanda pengajar.
Ingat kopi. Tahun keluju hanya beranda apa? Sama mak tuh nong bio. Teng zaman perang. Yo jadi ramai di lah.
1920 zaman Belanda.
Yo sekitar 20 hanya zaman Belanda.
Yo tanda pengajar.
Ingat kopi.
Miring salah.
Kades dah.
Kalau bang kampung.
Betengannya.
Ya.
Hanya masih kepala kampung murah.
Anu bagus simpi. 13 jalan hanya. Nah, barat 13 jawen tien ya.
Jahan tuhunjung.
Dah, jika ada surangnya pembakal kuai ko. Pembakal ni. Dah, jika ada sebu kuai tu je ada kades ulah 13. Anu jawen tien miring 13 hanya 2. Miring 70.
Ketua mana?
Yo ditribut dulu.
22. Iya 22 tu.
After completing the history, this group then looks at trends in livelihood diversification, comparing activities in the 3 decades between 1973 and 2003.
Terus mulai tahun 88 ini yang paling gratis. Masalah penyakit kunang ini. Anu yang paham.
The trend that emerged showed increasing diversity over time. Today, there are 7 main livelihood activities compared to 4 in 1973. Once again, the information is drawn on the ground to allow for easy interaction and comment.
Ini bukan kesuburan yang mereka nilai ini. Tetap 10 semua. Ya, cuma di sini yang kurang. Tanah itu hilang. Busur.
The group lists key problems they encounter with each livelihood activity and suggests solutions for each of these problems. Another group is documenting changes in seasonal conditions and livelihood activities over a 1-year period. They begin by charting the changes in temperature and rainfall from month to month, using seeds and stones to indicate the differences. After that, they show the timing for their seasonal activities by drawing on the ground the periods for growing rice, hunting wild pigs, and rubber productions. They also differentiate between women's and men's activities. The finished diagram provides a clear picture of what they are doing and how they might be affected by conditions at different times in the year. To complete the analysis, the group creates a list of key problems and solutions related to seasonality.
Dia Bali bikin kilau anu na lang khusus pertanian. Oh, pertanian itu na dia engkau anak atau hama are personil. Tapi ye teh belum dia sinunu utang sih sampai mau rumah tu di pelan kerahauan kecuali di semai kalau yo amun macam nyamayan sus tahu.
Harga berbayar ini.
Tahun betang bahwa berdiri 19 tahun. Ulorino 1945
A group of villagers began to make a simple map model of the village, indicating the location of the major landscape features and all of the roads and buildings. The map model is later expanded to cover the wider area of the village lands and forest. Areas in use for rice growing or rubber cultivation are drawn on the ground, and a discussion arises around various land use issues. Solutions are proposed for different types of land use problems, such as planting hybrid rubber seedlings to boost productivity. The group then makes suggestions for how to improve land use in the immediate future.
Yang kelompok 3 yang minjam itu? Itu memang dulunya apa masing-masing kelompok ini direncanakan untuk anu sapi gitu kan?
Sapi
dulu
semua. Programnya program
gagal.
sapi, tapi ya nggak berhasil kayaknya. Habis mati.
Kisah dua kayak keriman ini kisah yang
Ini udah penuh karet semua, karet lokal kan. Jadi yang orang sekarang yang berladang kebanyakan di rasa ini.
Kolera,
demam,
disentri, demam, asma, flu.
Bikin bisa mati.
Titik kita nak teh.
All the results are carefully documented on paper for presentation in daily review meetings.
November, Desember teh merumput mawa.
keterangan ya nang pamer itu napa
Waktu sedang lah.
jika
Tentu jika.
gitu.
Hijau.
Each evening, there's a review session to give everyone an opportunity to provide additional inputs on the information and analysis. The evening sessions can be a lively affair with plenty of comments, banter, joking, and laughter. They are very useful in making sure the results of each activity represent the viewpoint of the widest possible number of villagers.
Kita cek karet tanaman bahan kami tanaman red. Bisa Kino nita narai masalah terbaca masalah narai misalnya ladang kena narai kendala bela beladang belum diketahui cara untuk mengatasinya masalah hama tahun maksud anu uji pelita
The next day, the team breaks up into several groups and travel to separate locations in the field. Once there, they take a deeper look at physical conditions and people's activities on the ground. Each group visits representative areas of production activities and talks with the people that are cultivating land or using the land for other activities.
Balik kumunku nyesakan nih, tapi munjo anu dito kam macek dana hurau lunjo bae semin kananyung yam nyukli kam tri budi
Kita kemulan.
nah jito kemulan.
This group is looking at an area where rubber is being tapped. They are finding out about the key problems in rubber productions.
Wah jadi kita lanjut nyau hindah jakai je itu hindah dari na
Unapi, matuna menlepas kita, buhau ye, menjadi mungkin.
Ya, nih kuma, aku na.
jadi nihau itu
Kuna anu dene masalah anu
nah
A termite-like pest is a major problem in this particular spot. It stops latex flows and eventually kills the tree.
nakal jadi perlu kesuburan masih subur tetak hetete mun karet imbul hetete dia cocok buhe nau menyerang keras bila mana saja suburnya itu paling dikau teh 2 kali indai paling teh mudia teh biasa nunung pare belum lah tetapi dia memada.
Further on, the group talks to a woman about her rice crop. She has problems with caterpillars and declining soil fertility.
Dia pengaruh musim gitu.
A quick dip in a nearby stream is refreshing to some members of the team before they head back to the village. On the way, they stop at Field Hut and discuss issues about pig rearing.
Kan perencanaan tiba-tiba kan.
Ulu ke biasa itu berlewu itu apa?
Tengkawang.
They then return to the village to document their findings. Within a village, there can be wide differences between households, especially economically. To capture these differences, 5 or 6 individual householders are asked to divide members of the community into common groups according to their economic status. Each individual making the analysis has a set of cards with the name of each household on a separate card. The cards are separated according to which household is better off or poorer off. Each stack of cards contains the name of every household in that particular economic category. After separating the names in this way, the individual describes the differences between each category. There may be material differences, such as having a better house and more material things, or there may be also differences related to age, education, health status, or expertise.
Tidak gitu kan gitu. Merija gitu tuh abi haru narai kuangko napa pembelu mah memang semangat TTG gitu.
Once the individual householders have completed their analysis, the results are complied and averaged. The information is then transferred to a map with symbols for each category of household. In Mangkuhung, there are 4 categories, from well off to poorly off. Other villagers have an opportunity to comment on the results in an evening meeting. Based on the result of the wealth ranking, householders from each of the 4 wealth ranking groups make a detailed analysis of their annual household economy.
Berarti otoy paroy?
They focus on calculating the balance between their income and expenditures. A simple sketch in chalk shows the location of their various plots of land for growing rice, rubber, and other crops.
siun payana yang teripang kolen kana yang daun kana.
Juli kana.
Ya kana dengan
Ngalaba itu na gue. Komboy itu na.
Yo itu dari komboy dengan tur.
Iya.
Iya.
Itu jadi kosong.
Jira
karet
kosong
itu.
lah.
Iya, kosong lah itu.
Kosong.
Iya.
Gue parah.
Pun karet.
Jadi di kosong tuh ya usaha nih jera ya sama.
Anu kan lek-lekan berarti kan yang perlu mustang, yang perlu
Anak aja kali tolu, anak aja kali 7, anak aja 2 setengah mana.
Masing-masing.
kira-kira amun misalnya sebagai dana cadangan.
Ya.
Next, they analyze their consumption and use of natural resource-based products such as rice, fish, timber, and wild pigs. The better off households may have as much as 20 hectares of land, and their levels of income and expenditure can be quite high. Poorer off households have smaller land holdings, more limited sources of food and other consumables, and their expenditures, although low, may often exceed their income.
Rencana aja kosong tuh karena gue.
Pasti ngapun rencana hete. Jadi sadang matan hondai.
On the sketch of their land holdings, people indicate what their plans are to improve their production activities in the next year. For more detailed analysis, this group of villagers uses a matrix to compare differences between the 8 main livelihood activities in the village. A set of 5 criteria have been selected to compare the advantages and disadvantages of livelihoods, such as hunting, fishing, rice growing, rubber tapping, and gold mining. The group used a scoring system from 0 to 10 in comparing each activity. To complete the analysis, they identify and discuss problems they encounter in each livelihood activity and suggest possible solutions.
Apakah ada obat lain daripada yang tradisional ya, bukan saing yang pakai saing.
The last activity is to analyze the function and importance of organization inside and outside the village.
Pembangunan desa lah. SD. Ini KUP maksud event kan. Jadi PGK kurang. Jadi PG event kau.
Kau cek. Agama tuh mungkin ada paten kan teh.
The group lists all the organization they are aware of and then describe the function of each. They then rank each organization in order of importance.
BPD Badan Perwakilan Desa.
Ayo coba kabupaten sambil ngawi hindai dua hindai gawin nah. Penampungan aspirasi masyarakat dalam pembangunan.
Ya. Ya. Merencana program pembangunan.
Pelaksanaan
berpusat
Paper circles are cut out to represent each organization. The bigger the circle, the more important it is. Circle are placed on the ground to visualize the relationship with the village. The stronger the relationship, the closer the paper circle is positioned to the village. A discussion of problems and proposed solutions completes the analysis.
Sarita pada kia panjang dia inapa satu tamu orang jete toba atero setuntang batarang ayo sunyawi tukang topang
Kabun karet itu tiga segi dua UKB gitu, amun kelompok di dua itu ampi. Jadi
In preparation for the final meeting of villagers, the facilitation team reviews all of the outputs that were produced during the PRA process, and then creates a consolidated list of all the problems and proposed solutions.
Amun apa mau share akan share jelas tahu. Tapi dia mengatasi
jauhnya
This consolidated list will be presented for approval in the final meeting and will be the basis for generating a preliminary village development plan.
Itu dilakukan, itu saya YTS dilakukan itu. Yang pertama-tama kan melakukan kegiatan itu istilah ulun laut
The villagers gather for the final meeting. In the meeting, they identify specific actions required to follow up the proposed solutions. This list of actions is the preliminary development plan for the village. The meeting will also appoint a small village management team that will be responsible for finalizing the development plan and coordinating future activities.
Iya. Jadi bertanggung jawab menurut aku jika kepala desa dengan DPD alasan iya kan kepala desa kan sebagai wakil masyarakat tapi lewat sebagai badan pemerintah desa.
Prodi ya enggak para anu
Over the next few weeks, each household will produce a plan for their next year activities. They will indicate what their priorities are and what outside resources they will need to execute their plan.
Boleh pengetahuan lah kalimat titik. Je maksud itu je aku harus realistis deh.
The information from household plans will be integrated with the preliminary village development plan made at the end of the PRA. After that, the village will produce a final village development plan. This plan will be presented to local government to ask for their support in specific areas, such as village infrastructure and technical support for rice cultivations.
Saritane balu nintan kamala jenyai enapoy tuwarani napa nintan asinya lawato salaka amono tu sapi hita petak bangai